What's happening, everybody? Beachin With The Boones, and today we're back at one of our favorites, the 8th Avenue Tiki Bar and Restaurant. There are many tiki bars around the country, but in our travels, we found this one to be top notch, and quite possibly the best one around Myrtle Beach. And if you like the beach, you may want to subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date with what's going on around here. Because who knows, you may just see something you never knew existed. If you're new to our channel, thanks for visiting. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back to our channel and know that this wouldn't be possible without you. We filmed this place about a year or so ago and even spotlighted them on our top 10 restaurants on the Boardwalk. But with summer right around the corner, we had to come back. First, let me say that we follow them on social media, and if you do the same, you'll see that they're always running holiday and seasonal specials, just like this one from Facebook just the other day. And because it was St. Patrick's Day weekend, we just knew that they were up to some shenanigans, which is actually interpreted as awesome specials. If you've never been inside here before, you are missing out. You can notice how they've decorated the entire inside not only with a Tiki Beach theme, but with some odd conversational starter additions as well. Now, it was just a little bit too cold while we were here, so the sun going behind the clouds forced us to sit inside, which is just as tiki as the outside. There's totem poles, bamboo, and other various beachy stuff in every square inch. Let's take a quick gander, shall we? Because it's good enough for the goose. But just think, in just a week or so, we'll be over that hump and the outside will definitely be a hot commodity location. However, you only want to sit out here if you love chilling by the ocean and feeling that nice breeze as you get some delicious food and a frozen cocktail. Which basically means only the cool people will be sitting out here. And if you're still with us on the video at this point, that means you. This establishment is located at 706 North Ocean Boulevard, Myrtle Beach, right on the corner of 8th Avenue, hence the name, between the world-famous Ocean Boulevard and the ever-popular Boardwalk. So it's kind of hard to miss. Now, on to the drinks. Their cocktails and frozen drinks were hand-created and named by many of the staff, giving them unique and wild titles not traditionally found in other places. We initially wanted to get the chocolate monkey, which we saw being delivered to someone else's table. It looked absolutely delicious. But instead, we decided to go with the fire margarita. This has silver tequila, muddled jalapenos, and other items, making it a spicy but very refreshing cocktail. So if you can't take the heat, get out the kitchen, or get a chocolate monkey, because we'll be getting that one next time, I guarantee you. As for the food menu, they have everything from appetizers and salads to delicious burgers and pizza. And let's not forget about the sandwiches and kids' meals too. We started with some fried pickles while we were waiting on some friends for lunch. And as normal, they come out hot and fresh, just like we like them. So this particular lunch, we shared a Reuben as an appetizer, because it was St. Patrick's Day weekend, of course. And let me tell you, this sandwich was not only hot and blended perfectly, but the cheese and the toasted bread just melted in your mouth, and the cut fries were good and hot too. And of course, we shared one of our favorites, the meat lover's pie. And after tasting one of these bad boys, you'll definitely ask what the secret recipe is. And we found out. Okay, you twisted my arm. Not only is each pie handcrafted in-house and fresh, but they only use Fiji water in their pizza dough process. That gives it that uniqueness and great taste that can only be found right here at the 8th Avenue Tiki Bar. And if you don't think this thing was delicious, I slowed it down so you wouldn't miss any melted morsel. Just look at that. Watching that pizza, I almost forgot. The bar has more than 50 beers, including new seasonals each month, live bands throughout the year, and guess what else? Karaoke every Saturday night. And if you're lucky enough to get Jake as your server, rest assured he'll keep the glasses full and get the food out in record time. You can easily see how the 8th Avenue Tiki Bar is many people's go-to destination when they get down here to the beach. And if you've never been here and you get a chance to come, just one time, it'll probably be your go-to destination too. I mean, it's tiki, it's beachy, and you're in Myrtle Beach. So if you're looking for a place with fantastic views both inside and out, where you can sit and relax just steps from the ocean or enjoy people watching along the boardwalk, then this is your place. We hope you found this video informative when scheduling your next trip to the beach. If so, make sure you're subscribed to keep up with what's going on around here at the beach so you can keep beaching.